Tonight, I have a short message everywhere. As we close today's successful event, we are not just ending a celebration, but rather we are igniting a movement. Click a Click Start marks the launch of something truly powerful. Click-a, the first ever digital platform where you can earn while helping. This is only the beginning of our mission. As our team song says, tulong mo'y ramdam kahit nasan ka pa. Earning while helping is everywhere. Our vision is bold, to be globally recognized by 2026. With our pre-launch campaign now in full motion, we invite you to be the part of this digital revolution. Again, thank you all for coming. Have a good night. And let us start making an impact and history together. Click na! Possible ba we will have a